Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video of Half a Mil Rebuilds. Today on this episode, we're going to be showing the E46 325xi that we just purchased for $1,300 from Copart Auto Auction. And now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and detail. This is the second step of basically buying the car at the auction and getting it ready for sale. So basically, we're gonna be doing the headlights, polish the headlights, wet sand them and polish them, and we're gonna be doing a quick detail on the car and getting it ready for pictures and getting it ready for sale. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, comment, and if you're a regular, hit that bell notifications and make sure you support the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's continue. Peace. So this is the 325. If you guys didn't see it in the last video, here it is. So right now I'm getting the car ready for sanding these headlights and prepping, and basically I have a emblem also that I found laying around that I'm going to change out for that emblem and get this car clean, get the rims clean. So I'm going to be just doing a quick little show on how I use 800 sandpaper to sand these down. Now that we have the headlights wet sanded down, I'm going to get the polisher, and so I'm going to take compound after I sand it, and I'm going to compound the headlights now for the second step to get them clear. As you can see, it's on the curve already. We're not really doing too much, no intense really polish. We're just gonna do a quick polish just to get them cleared up. Not too crazy, just decent. So this is basically the finished product. Not going too crazy, just light polish on there. See how different it is. Night and day. Now we work on this side. Just finished the headlights, so look, it's night and day, guys. Look where they came. I'm not sure if I have, you guys can remember, but so this is what it takes, 5 minutes just to make them from fog to fresh. Not too many steps. everything so far. I didn't clean the rims yet, but this is just the body cleaned. For an old car like this from the auction, a few minutes to it, little TLC, and you can have something nice. $1,300 325 XI all-wheel drive. Now we're gonna get to the rims and interior. I'll see you guys in a second. Catch you guys when I finish with the rims and interior. I just finished showing you guys this video of me cleaning the car and basically the finished product of the vehicle. These are the steps that you take when you buy a car from any auction. Just give it a little TLC and you'll have a perfect car. Some people just neglect their cars and treat them all kind of way and basically have them dirty. Just a little cleaning, a little detail, and you have a clean, nice vehicle. Sometimes you might need a little mechanic work here and there, as you can see in the video before this. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you're trying to get in this game, or you're trying to get into flipping cars and making a little side hustle or making a little side money, I would just give you a tip that the cleaner the car is, the better. The better it runs, the faster it will sell. Because nobody wants to come and see a car that's dirty and filthy, or even just come and see a car that runs bad. You know, like, you wasting people's time and you wasting your time. So just give it your all, and try your best just to make sure the car is something that you would want your grandmother to drive. So peace, y'all. I'm gonna end this video. I hope you like this video. It's the end of the E46 325 $1,300 buy, and I will tell you guys in another video how much profit I made, and as a matter of fact, I'll tell you guys how much I put into the car to get it where it's at now. Not really much, and I'm going to tell you how much I'm going to sell it for, and when it sells, I'm going to tell you how much I profited up the car, so you guys could get like a range on how this works and how profitable it is. So I'll be showing you guys that probably another video. I'm gonna end this video off here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.